Gardening in India comes with its unique challenges due to the country's diverse climate. From the scorching summers to heavy monsoons, selecting the right plants is crucial to maintaining a flourishing outdoor space. By choosing plants that are naturally adapted to Indian weather conditions, you can create a vibrant and low-maintenance garden that thrives year-round. Let's explore some of the best outdoor plants that suit Indian climates and how they can enhance your garden's beauty with minimal effort. One, understanding India's unique gardening challenges. India's vast and varied geography presents different climatic conditions, from the dry deserts of Rajasthan to the tropical greenery of Kerala. Despite these differences, gardeners across the country face similar challenges: extreme heat, high humidity, and heavy monsoon rains. The summer heat can cause rapid moisture loss in plants, while the monsoons can lead to overwatering and root rot. Selecting resilient plants that can adapt to these conditions is key to a successful garden. 2. Why climate-suitable plants matter. Choosing plants that are native to India or well adapted to the local climate ensures that they require less maintenance while thriving in natural conditions. Native plants are more resistant to heat, humidity, and seasonal changes, making them ideal for Indian gardens. Additionally, they support local biodiversity by providing food and shelter for birds, butterflies, and beneficial insects, contributing to a healthier ecosystem. 3. Hibiscus. A colorful and resilient bloom hibiscus is a favorite among Indian gardeners, thanks to its large, vibrant flowers and ability to withstand hot and humid weather. This hardy plant thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, needing only moderate watering. Pruning hibiscus regularly promotes fresh blooms and maintains its shape, while it tolerates high temperatures. Providing some shade during peak summer helps prevent wilting. 4. Bougainvillea. A hardy, drought-resistant beauty, bougainvillea is a stunning plant known for its bright, colorful bracts and ability to thrive in extreme heat. This low-maintenance climber flourishes in full sun and well-draining soil, requiring minimal watering once established. It blooms best when slightly stressed, making it perfect for hot and dry climates. Bougainvillea can be trained over trellises, fences, or walls, adding an elegant touch to outdoor spaces. 5. Neem. A tough and beneficial tree. Neem, Azadirachta indica, is a highly resilient tree with numerous medicinal and pest-repelling properties. It can withstand prolonged droughts and intense heat, making it perfect for Indian gardens. This evergreen tree thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. Neem leaves and bark naturally deter pests, protecting surrounding plants and promoting a healthy garden environment. 6. Jasmine. A fragrant garden essential, jasmine is a popular choice for Indian gardens due to its intoxicating fragrance and adaptability. It grows well in full sun to partial shade, requiring well-draining soil and regular watering during the hot months. Whether as a shrub or a climbing vine, jasmine adds a delightful aroma to outdoor spaces. Occasional pruning encourages fresh blooms and keeps the plant well-shaped. 7. Plumeria. A hardy flowering delight, plumeria, also known as frangipani, is a stunning plant with highly fragrant flowers in various colors. This drought-tolerant species thrives in hot climates and requires minimal watering once established. Plumeria prefers full sun and well-drained soil, making it an excellent choice for Indian gardens. Regular pruning helps maintain its structure and encourages lush flowering. 8. Marigold. A cheerful and pest-resistant bloom, marigolds are among the easiest flowers to grow in India, known for their bright hues and resistance to pests. They thrive in full sun and require regular watering, particularly during dry spells. Marigolds are widely used in religious ceremonies and festivals, adding both aesthetic and cultural value to gardens. Their ability to repel insects naturally makes them a great companion plant for vegetable gardens. 9. Tuberose. A scented and hardy bulb plant, tuberose, Polianthes tuberosa, is prized for its fragrant white flowers and its ability to withstand India's heat and humidity. It thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, needing regular watering to keep its bulbs healthy. This plant is a favorite among gardeners who love fragrant blooms and attracts pollinators like butterflies and bees, enhancing garden biodiversity. 10. Frangipani. A tropical Heat-tolerant wonder frangipani is another resilient tree that thrives in India's warm climate. With its fragrant blossoms and attractive foliage, it can be grown in various garden settings, from balconies to large landscapes. It prefers full sun, requires minimal watering, and flourishes in dry conditions. Regular pruning encourages denser growth and abundant flowering, making it a standout addition to any outdoor space. Creating a thriving Indian garden to ensure a successful garden, it's best to focus on native or climate-appropriate plants that require minimal care. Plants like hibiscus, bougainvillea, neem, jasmine, and plumeria not only enhance visual appeal, but also contribute to a healthier ecosystem. Considering factors such as sunlight, soil type, and seasonal changes while selecting plants will yield the best results. Opting for low-maintenance, heat-resistant plants means enjoying a beautiful outdoor space without constant upkeep. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and insights. Have any favorite plants that thrive in your garden? Let us know in the comments below. Stay tuned for our next video.